As a buyer, I'm done scrolling through listings like it's a full-time job. AI does the searching for me. I'm using AI to search like a human. No filters, no guesswork, real language. I type, find me a home with a fenced yard, south-facing, walkable to the train, under $950,000. Boom. Perplexity sorts options in seconds. It narrows it fast, learns what I like, gets smarter with every search. Before I even schedule a showing, I can drop kitchen photos into ChatGPT design tool, visualize renovations instantly. New cabinets, done. Open shelving, rendered. Black hardware with oak cabinetry, finished. I can see the potential without spending a dime. I can also ask Gemini for renovation costs, compare neighborhoods, even check commute times. Glenview to the Loop, 32 minutes, not bad. AI will show me parks nearby, grocery stores, schools, bike paths. It can even highlight walkability around the Glen Town Center or point out if the playground is a 3-minute walk or a 12-minute trek. AI gets me to the door. A human helps me find if it's home. Now on selling, Gemini helps me get educated fast. It gives a ballpark value, shows nearby sales, highlights market trends. It can suggest updates buyers actually want, paint, curb appeal, staging tweaks that matter. It even helps me find the right local real estate expert. But AI doesn't know that the train rattles windows at 5:42 a.m. near the Metro line. Grok can't walk the block and see kids biking to a Tia or neighbors chatting with dogs at dusk. AI can't read buyer reactions when they walk in and whisper, "It smells musty." It won't say, "Open the drapes." That natural light sells. It doesn't notice outdated curtains, heavy rugs, or the mothball scent that needs airing out. And it definitely can't tell you that homes backing up to Cole Park move faster, or that buyers stretch budgets for Glenbrook South High School, or that Swainwood, Chapel Crossing, and Tower Crossing each attract very different buyers. Perplexity can analyze comps, but it can't interpret them with human nuance. ChatGPT won't negotiate inspections, credits, and it won't sense hesitations during a showing. It won't protect your equity when emotions spike and stakes get real. AI is a tool. Powerful, yes, but strategy, pricing, negotiations, that takes a human, a pro, someone who lives and breathes Glenview, Norfolk, or any other suburb. I use AI for speed, for clarity, for data, but experience, relationship, real market knowledge, that's where deals are won. I know which updates pay off. I know which listings will get multiple offers, and a realtor knows when to price aggressively and when to hold for the right buyer. AI can guide your search. A real estate agent will guide your success. Here's the winning formula for 2026. Use AI to get informed. Use a realtor to get it done. Let technology guide the search. Let a human guide the decision. Tech gives you information. Humans can help you find your dream home.